Hey cutie. I have been cleaning out my closet and I have sorted through a pretty big bag of clothing that I'm going to be giving away or donating. So I thought I would show the stuff and even try some of it on. And the first thing is this Faith 21 size 3X top. And it is soft blue and it is lined in white. It feels like linen. It's new with tags. I never wore it and I bought it like this and I picked it up at a garage sale. And it is a 3X, but it runs very small, even though there is elastic in the back. It is a halter top with a tie at the neck. And it has ruffle detail along the neck and also at the bottom hem. I will be trying this on because even though it is a 3X, I do remember that it ran very small and it's by Faith 21. So I'll be trying that one on later. And here is the ruffle trim top. And then there is this beautiful dress that is a jersey knit. And it is a maxi dress. And I think I also picked this up at a garage sale or while thrifting. And it is by Delirious Los Angeles, size 1X. And it is made out of rayon and spandex. And it is very soft and it is very pretty. And I thought maybe I would wear it, but it's too long. I will try this on too. I remember it dragging on the floor and I didn't want to ruin it. Is it so pretty? It feels textured. It is very pretty. It's got elastic in the empire waist and it was just too long for me and here is the blue dress. I think it is such a pretty color and I really like this a lot and it's very elegant and classy. But it's dragging on the floor and I'm sweeping the dust with it and that's a you can see it on the floor. And then there's this velour pajama set that I picked up and it was mine. And this is Naughty, Nice, Whatever by XOXO. And I liked it. It was very warm. And so I really liked it. But I remember after washing it, the legs shrunk up and the legs are really short and my ankles got cold and I just got tired of pulling at it. Even the length of the top feels like a crop top and I need something warm because I get cold easy. And here's a Halloween top that I wore a couple of times. It has glitter. Look, it's very sparkly. It has glitter and bats. And it looks like a layered look, but it is connected at the sleeves. It has bats flying and it's so cute. But I think I'm gonna donate this one and give it away and someone else can appreciate it. And here is the Halloween top. I still think it's really cute, but it's not really my style anymore. It's got a gothic vibe. You could wear it any time of the year. It's just not for me anymore. I think I would wear this if it was like solid black and like if this was red glitter. The sleeves I don't know about, but in the wintertime they are warm. If they were matching red, oh yeah. I like red and black. The orange is Halloweeny and it's cute, but I don't know, I only wore it a couple of times because I didn't love it. I wanted to love it, I never got to that point, but hopefully whoever finds it or whoever uses it, it's really cute for the right person. And then I have this beach cover up that is still new and I can't remember where I picked it up. and it is by Tropical Escape, size extra large, and I just didn't like the way it fit me. I think I bought it on the hanger, and it was a really good price, and so I just bought it, and that's what I get. And it's got elastic in the waist, but the shape of it for my figure is straight. See how that hangs straight? And it doesn't really complement me that well, so I decided I really didn't want that. And here's the beach cover. Honestly, it looks like a dress. It's got the surplice bust, elastic waist. I mean, it kind of looks cute. But I have nicer beach cover-ups that I would choose to wear over this one. I do like the fabric and the slinky knit. It feels really good quality, like it would wash and is not gonna fade. But it's just not for me. Maybe if it had pockets, I would be more into it. And this one, I'm going to be trying on also. It is a vintage Torrid, size 1, and this is my current size. And it has this metal detail in the neck. And it's really cute, and it's got like that 80s vibe, that stripy horizontal diagonal stripe that is like really cute. And that one's also going in the donate pile, but I'm gonna try it before I let it go. And when I got it, I thought I was really gonna like it. I think I picked it up at a garage sale for like 25 cents, I swear. And I was just never able to wear it. I feel like it washes out my complexion. And so I just never wore it. And here's a tee that I had and I wore a ton of. And all my tees that have crew neck, I cut and I make a scoop neck. And I think this is too small for me to try on. This was when I was a lot smaller and I had it there, and I don't know why I was saving it. It says, "You'll never know what you'll miss, New York, if you're too afraid to dream big." You'll never know what you'll miss if you're too afraid to dream big. Very cute. But too small for me now. Maybe I'll try this one on too. And here's this t-shirt that I wore the heck out of. I think it looks okay. I don't know what size it is because I cut off the neck and I did the same thing with the Halloween top. And here's this dress that I wore a ton of. It is size 12 and I really like the way it fits me when I'm like in a size 12. It's got lace sleeves. It's got a pleated empire waist. It's so cute. It's very cute. And here is the size 12 dress. And that's what I like about this dress, is that it is a size 12, but it fit me when I was nearly a 3X. It is really cute, but it doesn't have pockets, and I've worn it like a million times. It's very comfortable, but I have more things that I choose now, and it is still really cute. Flattering. It's a great cut. It's form-fitting on top and flared, which complements the pear shape really nice. And there's these shorts that are like a girdle, and they're size 3X. They're too big for me now. But they have lace at the bottom, and I thought they were so cute with a flowy top on top. They're high-waisted, hold you in and form you up really nice. There's this beautiful sweater, size 1X, but it is really big. And look at the sequins and beads. So pretty. But it is too big for me. It was too big for me even when I was at 18-20. It was falling off my shoulders because I am pear-shaped and I'm small on top. So this was really wide and just, I got cold. So I can't wear this. And I think I found this on eBay for like maybe like $12. I don't know. I only was able to wear it once and I got cold. And these are like an angel. They are vintage. And these were really popular at the time, like 20 years ago. And they are stretchy. They're like pajama jeans. I don't know if y'all remember pajama jeans, but this was the pajama jean, like, you know, the imitation, the bootleg, the knockoff. And there's that. And this was when the skinny leg was barely becoming popular. Maybe 15, 20 years. I'm not sure exactly, but I had a few pairs of these and I loved them because I was like really plus size at that time. Like the 2X stretched and stretched and stretched. I had it in 3X and I really liked them because at the time it was not easy to find super stretchy jeans. It's easy now. You can go out and find them, super stretchy jeans, but it's like I they were pretty rare, at least for me trying to find them back then. And then there's this super cute top. It is by Aronia, size 3XL, and it is too big for me now, but I will be trying it on because it's so pretty. It has rhinestones of the Eiffel Tower. And I have these that I still wear in smaller sizes, with the tiger cub face and leopard. Here's the back is the same, and I will be trying that on too. And here is the top. This is a 3XL. It is very big on me. But I bought it because look at these details. Look. It's very sparkly. It's more sparkly in real life than it is on the camera. But it is so big. It's much too loose for me. Very big. And the last item for today is this brand new, it's what we called a boy beater. It was like a white man's undershirt was a wife beater, so like the same style for a woman was called a boy beater. Sorry. And it has lace along the edges, and a good friend of mine, I'm gonna give this one to her for sure. This is her style, and I gave her another one that I have, and she loved it and she wore it all the time. So I found this one, and I'm gonna give that to her. I hope you enjoyed watching a little bit of my closet clean out. Thanks for sharing, liking, and subscribing. I also read and appreciate all of your comments. Thank you so much. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day. See ya.